Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Themes option. Go into this option, and here we got Galaxy Themes menu, so on the bottom we got Themes, wallpapers and icons, so tap icons. Here firstly will be page icon, so and on the bottom we got our free icon, so choose your new icon style, maybe this one will be nice. Choose and now click download. Need to sync in, so cancel. Okay, so let's try sync in with Google account. Click next. And how you can see, a new icons is installing, so wait a second and click apply. Apply new icon, apply one more time. Now wait a second for installing this icon. And how you can see here we got new some icon of our, for example, phone application, camera, clock, gallery and standard application on this phone. If you wanna change another icon into your phone, go into a Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. And now need choose from the list your application. Maybe YouTube will be nice. So choose your application and now from the library choose your new icon. Maybe this one will be nice. And then on the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it. Wait a second for generating of new icon. And now need click add to home screen. And how you can see we got success message, so and new icon of our YouTube. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.